Merhaba friends, welcome back and sorry for not being active for a few days. You know, it happens with everyone where we cannot control things and they just happen in our lives. And we have to live like that, but trying to solve everything because we are humans. So, anyways, let's come back to the lesson. Today we will learn how to tell time in Turkish. It's easy and simple, so let's get started. If you want to ask time from someone in Turkish language, you can say like this. Saat kaç? Saat kaç? Saat kaç? It means what is the time, and it also means what time is it. No difference. The goal is same. The meaning is same. And you should not confuse yourself with little tiny chickens. Saat means hour or watch or time. And kaç means how much. But here in English it's used what is. In English they don't say how much is the time. They say what is the time. So in Turkish you can say saat kaç. Or if you hear someone else saying saat kaç oldu. Saat kaç oldu? Saat kaç oldu? Saat kaç oldu? Which also means what time is it? But here oldu is extra, but the meaning is same. Oldu means happened, done, had, okay, deal. So word by word can mean different in some point and maybe in most of the time, but the translation of the sentence will be the same, okay? Now you can answer like this. Saat and then say the number, which is right now. For example, saat 5. Saat 5. Saat 5. It means it's 5 o'clock. In Turkish, there is no word like o'clock. And like this, you can add the time, which is right now, or whatever you want to say. I hope you know the Turkish numbers. If not, then go to my channel's playlist and look for Turkish for Beginners playlist. You'll find the video about Turkish numbers. Okay? And you can also add oldu when telling the time. For example, saat 5 oldu. Saat 5 oldu. Saat 5 oldu. It means time is 5 o'clock. Now for PM and AM, they use sabah, öğlen, akşam, and gece. Sabah means morning, öğlen means afternoon, akşam means evening, and gece means night. So you can use one of these words while telling the time according to what time is it in your place. So it was for telling the time, which is o'clock. You know, o'clock doesn't exist in Turkish. They just say the number of the time and move on. Now it was o'clock. We also have other times like half, quarter, quarter past, quarter to, half past, half to. So if I continue, then the video will become too long and boring. So let's learn this in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon to get notification of my new videos. And also give a big thumbs up so that I will understand that you like it and I should make more. Thanks for watching.